Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another OpenSolar demonstration. My name is Jimmy Gatland, and I head up the Pro Experiences team down under in Australia and New Zealand. And I have the great pleasure today to demonstrate our new Annotations Library. Let's dive right in. You'll find the Annotations Library in the top right-hand corner under the Tools menu. Once selected, to the left of the screen, you will have a pre-populated library of icons that can be dragged and dropped anywhere on your design. In this case, I'm going to drag across an inverter, a main switchboard, and a battery. Now, by selecting any one of those, see how they're slightly shaded? That means that they're hidden from the customer's view. Each has to be toggled to show if you would like them revealed to the customer, in the proposal, that is. And by selecting the icon itself and dragging that around, it reveals the leader line with the anchor point. Both can be moved around by dragging like this, or by selecting that endpoint and moving that to where it needs to go. In that case right there. Now for each of these annotations, the icon is default. However, the label is customized. So in this case, I'm going to name each one by one. And there you have it, folks. So if I now zoom out and ensure that that view is captured for purposes of my proposal, I will just demonstrate how that view is shared in the proposal to your customers. And there you have it. So within the legend, that is pre-populated with all the information in the design studio. And as you can see, all the icons, labels, leader lines, and anchor points have mapped across perfectly for being able to communicate clearly where things will be installed to your end customer. I hope that was useful. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to submit a support ticket. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.